Hi, in this video today, I would like to show you how to disable news and interest with this on Windows 10. Okay, so now let's get started. You take a look into the Windows taskbar here on my PC, and this one is news and interest with this. Yeah, if you already upgrade the Windows 10 to the newer version, at this time, so it will have the news and interest feature here. In case if you feel this feature is uncomfortable and you want to be hide it or disable it, yeah, it's very easy, and you can right click on the taskbar. You see here we have a news and interest option. We have three options here: show icon and text, show icon only. Yeah, let me see the second option. Yeah, for now it only display the icon, and again turn off. Yeah, when you select the turn off option, so the news and interest icon and text will be disappear. Okay, again, if you want to turn it back, you right click on start bar, news and interest, show icon and text option, or even select the second option is show icon only. Yeah, you can also see as an option renew start bar update. Yeah, open on hover. Yeah, if you don't select the option open in hover, that means you have to click on the icon or text in order to open the pop-up here. Okay, all right. So I hope this video will helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.